This barbecued chicken and sweet potatoes packs 33 grams of protein per serving, and all you have to do is toss a few things in the slow cooker. You just layer everything in, set it to low for 6 to 7 hours, and then you've got tender barbecued chicken and sweet potatoes for the week. I'll show you how to make it right now. Start with a 4-quart slow cooker and get your ingredients ready. Dice 1 large or 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes and add them in. Be sure to rinse your sweet potatoes. We'll use half of a medium yellow onion for this recipe. Slice it up and add it to your pot. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast on top of the vegetables. Pour in half a cup of low sodium chicken broth or water. I'm using water for today. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar to help tenderize the chicken and balance out the sweetness. Finally, pour 1.5 cups of low sugar barbecue sauce. Place your pot in your slow cooker, cover it with a lid, then cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. Once it's done cooking, use 2 forks to shred the chicken directly in the slow cooker. It should shred effortlessly due to how tender it is. Stir everything together so the barbecue sauce coats all of the chicken and sweet potatoes evenly. Serve immediately if you're eating this for lunch or dinner. If you're meal prepping this like I am, divide your portions equally into 4 or 5 containers for the week ahead. You can also add some extras like broccoli slaw, shredded cheese, and fresh cilantro on top. Then you're all set with your slow cooker barbecue chicken and sweet potatoes. Store any leftovers or your meal prep containers for up to 5 days in the fridge. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein slow cooker recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.